Ryan will be able to make a cliffside turn. Yes, he did it. And let's see if he can make a high bridge jump. Let's do this one. Okay. Let's see if he can make it. Let's do it. Let's see if Ryan can make it. A high bridge jump. Sky high bridge jump. There you go. Perfect. One more round for Ryan. Let's see if he can make a cliffside turn and would be able to do a high bridge jump. But still, yeah, he's doing good. Ryan is doing good. Whoa. There you go, Ryan. There you go. Let's see if Ryan can make a high jump over the bridge. Come on. Come on, come on. Your last round. Oh. Wow. That's not good. Wait a minute. I have to fix this problem first. Okay. Go, Ryan. Go, Ryan. Go, Ryan. Whoa. That's great. Nice. There you go. Wow, Ryan. That's it for Ryan today. That's good. Another cliffside turn. And one more high jump over the bridge. See if you can make it. So we're playing 2 sets today. It's a sky high bridge jump, Trackmaster Motorized Railway, and Thomas Trackmaster Motorized Railway. Can the Thomas and Friends character complete a cliffside turn? You, Ryan. Let's see. Uh-oh, silly me. Oh, no. Let's do it. It's my fault. It's my fault. Come on, Ryan. Wow. Wow. There you go. He completed the high jump over the bridge. Now let's go and try Gordon. Let's see if Gordon can make a cliffside turn and do a high jumps over the bridge. Come on, Gordon. Your battery is almost dead, Gordon. It takes a little while for Gordon to run over the Trackmaster Railway because he is maybe running out of battery. But yeah, still helping. Running smoothly, slowly and smoothly. His battery perhaps is low. Oh, look at that. He cannot climb anymore. Go, Gordon. Go, Gordon. Yes. Okay. Go, come on, come on, come on. Make it happen, Gordon. You can do it. Come on. Come on. Let's see if you can make it. Whoa! Even if it's slow, Gordon made it to jump over the bridge. Wow. He just doesn't have any control at all. Okay, let's do it again. One more side cliff turn. Yes! Very nice turn. And one more high jump over the bridge, Gordon. See if you can make it. Yeah, we will be needing a new battery for the Trackmaster trains. We'll be replacing a battery for this. They are so slow now. There you go. Come on, come on. Gordon, make it happen. To jump on a high bridge. Wow. Jump over the bridge. Make a high jump. Come on. Come on, Gordon, come on. Whoa, come on, Gordon, one more time. Let's see if you can make it. Let's see if you can make it. Wow. Oh, wow, that's it. Let's see if you can make a high jump over the bridge. Oh, he ran out of battery. That's what I know. That's why he cannot make it. But this time, another Gordon? Yes. Let's try another Gordon here. Maybe this one is a little fast because it's new. There you go. Let's see if Gordon can make a cliffside turn and make a high jump over the bridge. Wow. Come on, come on. I have another round for you, Gordon. Make it happen. Wow, Gordon. Gordon, yes. Real good jump, Gordon. Wow. That's good. One more time. One more round for Gordon. He has a complete side cliff turn. And see if he can make a high jump over the bridge. Come on, Gordon. One more time, Gordon. Here, Gordon. Wow. So I have two sets of Trackmaster here. It's the Trackmaster motorized railway, close call cliff set, and a Trackmaster motorized railway sky high bridge jump. So let's see if you can make it. Come on, Gordon. Come on, Gordon. Whoa, come on, Gordon. There you go. What a perfect landing. Yeah. Okay. Go, 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 Salty. Go, go, go. Go, 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 Salty. Go, go, go. Let's see if you can make it. Let's see if you can make a high jump over the bridge and make a cliffside turn. Whoa, that's perfect. Nice landing. Okay, next is Samson. Let's see if Samson can make it. There you go. Another perfect cliffside turn for Salty. And see if he can make sky high bridge jump, or if he can jump high over the bridge. Yes, let's see. Whoa. Here. Let's see if he can make it. Wow, go, 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 Salty. Make it happen, Salty. Make a perfect jump, Salty. Wow, that's a great one. Let's see if you can make it. There you go, that's perfect. Ha! Wow, it's a perfect landing. Thank you very much for watching. See you on our next video. Bye.